Hello guys, this is Emmanuel Etim from Forex Portal Academy. So most of you have been asking me how to create your Deriv account and start trading volatility, crash and boom and stuffs like that. So in this training, in this video, I'll be showing you guys how to create your MT5 account and start trading volatility and the rest of the thing. Even on Deriv, you can also trade currency pairs if you wish. So the first thing is to click on the link that I'll provide to all of you. This is the link, so you just click on the link. It's gonna take you straight to the Deriv site. So what you need to do is this. To create an account on Deriv, you need to first open a demo account. So what we do is we click on start trading, and then you need to put your email. So for the purpose of this training, I had created an email called forex motel 722 at gmail.com. Alright, so you need to agree to the terms, read it, and then agree. I've read it before, so you create the demo account. That is the first step. You must create this demo account. Then an email will be sent to that email you use to create the account. It is the verification link that you're going to use to verify that you are a human and not a robot. So we're just going to get over to the email and follow through. Alright guys, so I am on my email right now, and this is the email that just sent. Verify my email. You can click on this, or you can copy this link and paste it in your browser. So I'm just going to click on verify my email, and it's going to take me straight up. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is choose your country. I'm in Nigeria, so I'm going to choose my country as Nigeria, and then next, then create a password. Okay. So we're going to click on start trading. You can update or if you want to. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to click on start here. Alright, and then you'd have the opportunity. Now you've already created your demo account, which is the first step. Okay, so they give you a $10,000 demo account to practice with. Then the next thing, remember, the reason you want to create this account is to open a real account. So you need to switch from demo to real, and then click create a Deriv account. Alright, so you have different options. You can open a Deriv account that will allow you to deposit with your US dollars, your euros, your Australian dollars, or your pound sterling. If you want to deposit with currency, cryptocurrencies, you can deposit and withdraw with these options: USD, Great Britain pounds, and you can also deposit and withdraw with cryptocurrency, which we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Theta Omni, and USD coin. You can use all of these options. So for this, I'm going to start with USD, United States dollars. So I'm just going to click on that and click next. And then you create your profile. So for the purpose of this training, we're going to use Forex Portal, which is our brand. Then you select your date of birth. Use any date, as long as use your date, but I'm going to use any date right now. Use your date of birth and the one that will be on the card that you're going to use for verification in case they ask for verification. So I am just going to use my Forex Portal phone number and then click next. Alright, so the next thing is for you to put your address. I have some here. Just gonna put something. Then next. Then you agree. Alright, so you read this instruction, read the terms. If it's okay with you, you agree. So you're gonna click on add account. Right, so your account has been created. If you want to deposit now, you click on deposit now. If you want it later, then you can click maybe later. Alright, so now your account has been created. Alright, you have this created, and then now that you've created this USD account, you need to go and create your MT5 account. Alright, so you can use it to trade. This synthetic account will allow you to trade indices, volatility, crash and boom, step index, range breaks, and the rest. If you want to use the financial setup, it will allow you to trade cryptocurrencies and major commodities, and then the financial STP will allow you to trade currency pair. So you have all in one with the Deriv app. So we're going to start with synthetic, which is the main reason most of you are coming. So you create your password. All right, so I'm just going to try something. All right. And then add account. All right, so you can now fund this account. All right, so with the detail you're going to have here, you're going to use this login detail right here on your MT5, and then use the password we just created. But I would suggest you use the same password to open the account, and then the same password to create the synthetic. But if you can keep up with different passwords, you can do that. So you're going to use that password with this login ID in order for you to log in. Then your broker, when selecting, would be Deriv Limited, and the server will be Deriv Saver. All right, and then you can now fund your account. Okay, if you want to use USD, that is your card or whatever. If you want to use cryptocurrencies, you will need to add an account, which is a crypto account, BTC added. So now you'll be able to fund with BTC. All right, so when you just want to fund with BTC, you need to switch this to BTC. Now it is in USD right now. You can fund with card. You want to fund with BTC, you switch it to BTC, and then you can now fund with BTC. All right, deposit now. So you need to fund this BTC account for you to deposit. On the next video, I'll be teaching you guys